Hi Quillers, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Craft. Today let me show you how I made this butterfly. If you're new here, then this channel is all about quilling, tips and tricks and card making. You can also find tutorials on few other simple crafts. So click the subscribe button to catch me every time when I come up with a video. Coming on to the supplies, quilling strips, I used aqua green and black strips. You can choose any other color of your choice instead of aqua green, and remember all colors go well with black. Quilling slotted tool, circle scale and glue. I have used 3 long strips, 2 of which are 3/4 the length. We can get some glue ready for work. And now we can start rolling the longer strip of paper. Put the circle scale upside down so it is easy to work with. I choose 8 mm diameter circle. When it is ready, we can make a teardrop shape with it. And now glue the end. Now I take the other 2 strips and use 7 mm diameter of the circle and make 2 teardrops. We can glue them up. Put the biggest teardrop in the center and glue the other 2 on both the sides. Now take a black strip and wind them around. You can keep rolling around the sides until you're happy with the thickness of the black. When it is ready, we can tear off the excess paper and glue them. So this is it done. Make 2 similar parts and then place one above the other. And you can now manipulate them to form a triangle-like shape. You can just manipulate so both the parts are very similar to each other. So now we can do the lower part of the wings. Take an aqua green strip, fold it into half. So now we tear them into 2 and now we can make 2 teardrops. We will be needing our circle scale even now so that they are all of the same size every time we do. So now I choose even more smaller size, the 6 mm diameter. And when it is winding back, we can then take it and make again a teardrop. And now we are going to add the black strip around them. Even in this we can make more layers so that the black is somewhat thicker, and then glue them up. When two of the shades are done, we can just manipulate so that they look more uniform. So the wings are done. Now for the body part, I take 3 different lengths of black. For the head, I make a tight coil. For the body, I make an elongated shape. For the tail part, you can make a little more longer elongated shape the same way. When they are done, we can just glue them all together to form the body. Once glued, we can add on the wings. And now for the antenna part, I just bend a black strip and then make a little curve like bend and then glue them to the head. You can just add one side of the wings to make it look like sitting over a leaf or something, or you can arrange them on both the sides to form a whole butterfly that's like flying. Remember to follow me on all the social media sites